Hey guys, and welcome to something a little bit different. What you're seeing in the background right now is a level I threw together in a level editor I made for a game that I'm working on. In this video I'll be going over all the technical aspects of the level editor and basically just how I made it. So if you're not really into technical stuff, maybe don't watch this. Also, if you're waiting for Programming Concepts 5, like most of you probably are, that's coming out hopefully this month or next month. That's where I'm planning. It's quite a long video actually, it's like 20 minutes long, so yeah. Anyway, let's go ahead and get into this level editor. And here we are, this is the level editor. So down here you can choose what tiles you want to place, and you can see what you have selected over here. You can go through the categories. A lot of these are empty just because I don't have textures, and I'm not really an artist, which is why this floor looks so bad. Anyway, so you can left click to place, you can right click to delete, and yeah, so how does it all work? Well, first you need to know what a level actually is. A level is actually just an array of tiles. Each tile has its own X coordinate, Y coordinate, tile ID, and metadata. The X and Y coordinate are for the position of the tile, and tile ID and metadata are for the texture and some logic. So if we wanted to place a tile at X2, Y2, we would first search through our level array to see if a tile already exists at those coordinates, and if a tile is already there, then we just replace the tile with our new tile. Otherwise, we just add the new tile onto the end of the array. So when you save a level, you're essentially saving the array to a file. Now that we know how levels work, we can focus on other parts of the level editor, like this grid and this darkened area. Both of these are done in the Fragment Shader, which is basically a program that is run on the graphics card to calculate the output color of each pixel. The GUI is just a couple of sprites, and for clicking on stuff there's a bit of math that determines what the mouse is currently over. This is slightly more efficient than looping over every clickable object and checking if the mouse is within its bounds. The selected tile name is pretty simple too. I'm just loading a file that says what the name of each tile ID metadata combination is. If there isn't a name for the tile, then it isn't displayed. Using my own game engine, this took over 1,000 lines of code to implement, but I was able to do it all in a day. Hopefully you now understand the inner workings of this level editor a little bit more, and I'll see you guys later.